Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So I'm going to show you today what I did to my car. I swapped out the actual floor mats, and these are the original floor mats for the TL. As you can see, all these floor mats are really dirty, a lot of stains, a lot of spills on it. So I'm going to show you how to switch it out to the all-season Acura TL all-weather floor mats. So here's the front. That's what it looks like. On the side here, obviously you can see that he spilled coffee, or somebody did. At some point I guess I'll try to shampoo that out, but I just want to show you guys what the mat looked like. So here's the rear ones, and that's the side over there. And these are the front ones. So they line up perfectly with the vehicle because it's made for it. And you know, the rain, winter, and the snow, you know, you can just clean them off easily. So hopefully this will help, and I'll let you guys know what it looks like. All right, please subscribe to my videos and like my videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.